What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to take your swamp cooler, evaporative cooler, and convert it into a shop air filter. I was working on trying to set up some sort of shop air filter because the air in here is really dirty, and we needed something to filter it because everything gets covered in dust and it's a pain in the ass. I realized that I have this giant fan that we're not using over winter, and it's almost the perfect size. This one is, I think, right about 6,000 CFM. What we need is right about 6,000 CFM. You want it to recirculate the air in your shop, all of the air, in 10 minutes. So you calculate the cubic footage of your shop, floor space times height, and then you divide that by something. I don't remember the exact equation. Let's get to showing you how to convert it. It's really simple. So you're going to want to start by taking the media out of your swamp cooler or evaporative cooler. Be careful with it because these are expensive. For my cooler, this set I think is $500. So you're going to want to put these in a safe place. If you are somewhere where you're not, where you don't have winter, then you could also leave these in and build sort of a separate enclosure, which is what I'm planning come summer. But for now, this is what I'm doing. So pull these, set these aside, put them up on your racks, somewhere safe. They're not going to get messed up because you'll probably need them again soon. Now what I did was I had Corey measure this because I was at Home Depot when I thought of this, and I just called Corey and I was like, yo, what the fuck is the measurement? And he got me a rough measurement. It came to 48 by 50 and then by 4 inches deep. So I was able to use, and this might not work if you don't have the same evaporative cooler, but just figure out what you got. It worked. These are 16 by 25. There's 3 and 3, total of 6 of them. They're kind of expensive. They were $40 for a 2-pack, so $120 worth of filters. But I guess it's worth it because lung cancer is expensive. If you have extra space, then, well, they have a few different sizes, so you can pick which ones fill up the most area. If you have extra space, you could fill the edges with some plywood or 2x4s or something, I'm sure. I threw some of this AC ducting tape down the seams just to make it, more efficient. And they kind of fit in here perfectly. I got really lucky. But, yeah, they're nice and solid. The plan come summer is I will build an enclosure that puts these in this area. And then we also have the evaporative cooling media behind it. So we have cooling and filtration. And you can see this color. We've been running this for 3 days now. And these were a very nice clean white like this. You can barely tell the difference. And this is what we've picked up after 3 days of running it. So clearly it's doing something. And this is what we were breathing for the last 2 years. And that's all for this video. I'm going to keep it nice and short because it doesn't need to be a long video. If you have any questions about my setup, or if you need any help with ideas for your setup, just let me know in the comments below. And thanks for watching.